Ka utloloha re le Studio 10 Auckland Park Johannesburg moifona wa ditaba tsa Sesotho o tlisetsa tsena tsa moraorao le phirimaneng ena dihloho tsa tsona ke tsena di latela.
Repatriations to countries beyond SABC amounts to 2,615.
Mmuso o re ho tloha maobane ke melata e fetang dikete tse 30 a nang le metso e 5 e seng e kgutliseditswe dinaheng tsa bo yona. Moike boela ke o amohela ka diatla tse mofuthu kgasong ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho ho SABC 2 lo le hae ke o hasetsa ditaba tsena ka otloloha le Mphotimi. Re atela pele jwalo ka ditaba tse re mmuso o re ho tloha maobane ke melata e fetang dikete tse 50 a nang le metso e 3 e seng e kgutliseditswe dinaheng tsa bo yona. O re bonyane diperesente tse 80 ke melata ya naha ya Malawi e latelwe ke ya Zimbabwe le ya Mozambique.
Mokgatlo wa March and March o ile wa ipelaetsa kgahlanong le melata e hlokang ditokomane hore e kgutlele ha bo yona pele kgwedi ya Phupjane e fela ho fihlella ha jwale melata e dikete e hlokang ditokomane e se e kgutletse dinaheng tsa ha bo yona ka boithaopo.
Repatriations to countries beyond SABC amounts to 2,615 and include the returns to Kenya with a total of 431, Nigerians 1,159, Republic of Congo 86, Uganda 939.
Mmuso o se hollotse ka bohale dihlopha tse lwantshang melata e seng molaong tseo ho tlalewang di ntse di kena dikgwebong tseo ho belaelwang hore ho hirilwe melata e hlokang ditokomane.
Our message to our people is very clear that that kind of vigilante activity is not acceptable because only the state has the responsibility to enforce our laws.
Komiti ya matona e tadimaneng le ditaba tsa melata e hlokang ditokomane e boetse e totobaditse hore bothata ba melata e hlokang ditokomane Afrika Borwa bo mpefatswa ke ho hloka botsitso dinaheng tsa boahelane tseo di hlolehang ho netefatsa polokeho ya baahi ba tsona.
Majority of the countries that we are finding their nationals or citizens in the country illegally do not even qualify to apply for either refugee or asylum status.
Ho sa le jwalo mmuso wa Afrika Borwa o tla isa tlaleho ya ona mabapi le ka moo o sebetsanang le melata e hlokang ditokomane ho komishini ya ditokelo tsa botho ya Afrika.
Ha re tshela mo ho ka re ntse re le ditabeng tsena re fumana hore koporasi ya ntlafatso ya naha ya Lesotho e re ho kgutla baahi ba naha eo ho tlisa kgatello lefapheng la tsa mesebetsi.
Koporasi ena e re e kolotwa dimilione tse fetang 50 tsa diranta ke beng ba dikgwebo ba hlolehang ho lefa mekitlane.
The very fact that these rental rates for our industrial estates and industrial properties that are being given to investors are subsidized, 50% subsidy on average, it really becomes inexcusable for an industrialist not to pay.
Meka morapalo e hodimo ya Basotho ba kgutlelang lapeng ho tswa Afrika Borwa ka lebaka la mehwanto e kgahlano le melata e senang ditokomane. Koporasi e ikemiseditse ho kopa thuso ho batsetedi ba kantle.
And to the extent that they have lost the jobs, they're back in the country, it has made the situation bad. But we believe that to the extent that they come with skill, we should be able to create an opportunity to see if we couldn't attract investors to come and exploit the advantage of their high productivity levels.
Beng ba dikgwebo ba hlolehang ho lefa mekitlane ba lebelletswe ho lelekwa.
If you're not able to service your rent, question is really how sustainable are you? Even the jobs that you have created, could we see a situation where, as we have seen in the past, you disappear one evening and in the morning you're all gone? For me, it's a red flag if you are unable to pay rent that is already subsidized by 50%. It's an early warning sign that you are dealing with a situation here that can spiral out of control.
Ditaba ka puo ya marena ya Sesotho di tswela pele ho SABC 2 lo lehae. Sebaka sa Lekubu ka ntlenyana ho Zirast province ya North West se tlaleha palo e tshosang ya dipeto. Monna ya dilemo di 40 ana le metsummedi o sa tswa tshwarela peto ya ngwana ya dilemo di 14 eo ho tlalewang hore o ne a ratana le yena.
Re etetse ba lelapa la motswasetlhabelo mme mmaagwe motswasetlhabelo o ile a totobatsa fa molatofadiwa le motswasetlhabelo ntse ba le mo kgolaganong ya marato. Mmaagwe o kaile fa molatofadiwa ntse a tsweletse go kaisa motswasetlhabelo sekolong, a tsweletse go berekela dijo e bila mofa le tšhelete.
Mo ra motshirimo ilwa go male batsadi ba bantsi ba ile gore ke bone ba ba dirisang bana ba. Batho bao a kitsola ke borapelo ba fana ba tsa di grocery ba di sa mo malapeng a. Ga bana ba robala bana ba bomma go bana ba khona gore ba seke ba bua gore bana ba robalwa ba lemoga.
Lelapa le lengwe lona le ikaeletse go bona molao o diragadiwa morago ga kgolagano magareng ga moruti wa dingwaga tse di kwa godimo le mosetsana wa bona wa dingwaga di le 15.
Ke a utlwa ntato ke nna lena anta are wena kana ngwana ga to wa dirisiwa ka go gare ngwana ke motsa ngwana wa dirisiwa e le gore ngwana o dirisiwa jang a re ngwana ga go gato wa dirisiwa o tsewa ke monna mogolo mme go bontsha gore ntato o robala ngwana.
O ka ya fa morwadi a ge a tshosetsa go ipolaya fa kgetsi eno e ka ya kgotlatsekelong.
Motho na kana re before go teiwa go khotogela gore go teiwa go khoto ke ga etla ra a batlile chefu go ra eno a swe ke ga etla ra tsoga phakela ba ipa mo sekontere mola emela di truck tse di tona tse di mo pšhetlhele motsele.
Mokgatlo ka ya fa bao ba bulang dikgetsi ba tshosetswa.
A sepodisa sa rona se thuse di family jaaka gompieko jana re tswa go di family tse pedi tseo di latofatsang kgotsa di bonang tshotla ka go tswa mo sepodiseng ba tewa gote go reng le bula di case a ga le bone gore motho o le mulelang case o tla le sua.
Le fa gona le molao o sireletsang bana ba dingwaga tse di kwa tlase mmatlisise go tswa Wits University Lisa Vetten a re go tshwanetswe go a lebelelwa dikgwetlho tse malapa nang le tsona fa go tseregangwa mo ntlheng eno e ka nna tsa go tlhoka letseno gareng ga tse dingwe.
It's very clearly a legal problem. What this adult is doing is criminal. But it's also a social and an economic problem, and addressing it legally will not address the social and economic sides of this problem.
Kgabagare mapodisi mo North West a kgapetse thoko ditatofatso tsa gore sepodisi kwa Zirast se tshosetsa malapa ga a bula dikgetsi. Ke Tebogo Phakedi wa dikgang tsa SABC mo motseng wa Lekubu kwa ntle ga Zirast.
Ha re fetela provinseng ya Eastern Cape re fumana hore masepala o moholo wa Alfred Nzo ka kopanelo le mekgatlo e shebane le tlhekefetso ya dipolao tsa bana le basadi Matatiele o tshwere thapelo e kgahlano le tlhekefetso ya bong.
Morero wa thapelo ena e ne le go kgothatsa baahi hore ba bengatana nngwe ba lwantshe tlhekefetso kgahlano le basadi le bana mme sena se etsala nakong ena eo ditho tse supileng tsa lelapa le le leng la motsaneng wa Sjoka Matatiele di ile tsa hlaselwa. Ore motho eo a neng a ba hlasela o ile a sebedisa thipa go mo hlaba seropeng. Ore o lekile go mo lwantsha empa o ile a tswela pele a mo hlaba le sephakeng mme ore le ntate wa hae o ile a ameha tlhaselong ena.
Ndize apha ngengxaki yabantwana
ore o hlokometse bana ba ausi wa hae Kineuwe eo a ileng a bolawa ka sehloho ke mohlankana wa hae wa Lesotho. Ore bana ba ausi wa hae ba phela ka thata. Thulisile Khauleza eo e leng lehlatsipa la tlhekefetso ya bong o re lelapa ga le ikutlwe le sireletsehile ka mora hore moqoso wa bobedi a lokollwe ditlamong. O re ha ba thaba ebile ba ikutlwa ba sa bolokeha ka mora go lokollwa ditlamong ha moqosuwa wa bobedi. Mmuso o re o tla sebetsa le baahi go lwantsha koduwa ena.
Rape of a 2-year-old, rape of a 3-year-old, 5-year-old, and all of those things. It means deep in our society there are these ills that we need that divine intervention as well in terms of rooting them out, in terms of dealing with the inner person of each and every individual, the soul.
Muso o boetse o re o tla tsepamisa maikutlo hlohlelletsa bahlankana hore le bona ba be le kabelo ntweng ena.
ha re fetela kwano Gauteng re fumana gore letona la toka le ntshetsopele ya molao wa motheo Mamoloko Kubayi o re mehato ya go khutlisetsa Mmalei Mdodana Mkhanyisi Chuma naheng ya United Kingdom e tla tswela pele ofinyana o ile a baleela mona Afrika Borwa ka mora hore a bolaye mofumadi le bana ba hae ba babedi o tshwerwe ke sepolesa sa Afrika Borwa le Interpol beke fetileng.
He arrived according to our movement control systems at OR Tambo International Airport on the 5th of July 2026 from Britain. Once we have received the alert from Interpol, we acted swiftly from a multidisciplinary team conducting tracing, and the suspect was arrested in Kensington, Johannesburg. At the time he went through OR Tambo, he had not yet been flagged by British authorities. So if he had been flagged, he would not have entered the country. He will be extradited to the UK once I have signed all the extradition documents and requests as required by the law in my capacity as Minister of Justice and Constitutional Development. We are informed that the teams are working quite hard around the clock so that the extradition requests are done and the paperwork is done in time.
Re atela pele jalo ka ditaba tse reng malapa a fetang lekgolo a angwe ke metsi a runyang ka ramatlo a ona dipotomaneng Windhoek provinceng ya Free State le qhekwana le dilemo di 63 le nang le bohloko ba masapo le re maemo a lona a mpefala ka lebaka la mohatsela.
Ka ha ba dutse ka hara mokhukhu dilemo tse fetang tse 10 lelapa lena le re ntlo ya lona e fetoha nokana. Metsi ana a senya thepa ya bona. E mong wa bona a phelang ka lefu la masapo o re ho buima ho mamella serame le mongobo o hlahang ka kamoreng ya hae. Ha mme wa lesea le dikgwedi tse 2 a re lesea la hae le a kula ka lebaka la maemo ana.
Ke na le lemo tse 30 ke dula mona ho tso ho le betsi tjenana ene ntho ding a mahaholo ka ho banyaneng ke motho a kulang a tshwareng ke lefu la masapo. Jwale ke yona bothata ba ka hape haholo bena metsi eng a mampe waneng wa bata ha ke ne ke kholo dudla le bana ka mokokone o tla le voice ga ke flu le ngwana tsore ke flu se bile ke kopa go me go bala o batho go ke go bala ngwana se ka dula lena ka ke tla fela bo mosegare tsena mantsi ba ke a tsamaya ke lo go bala mo kopileng teng o dula la ngwana teng.
Masipala Masilonyana o o kentse kopo ya ho thuswa ka ditšhelete ho lefapha la bodulo ba batho bakeng sa ho tlosa lo ahela baahi ba amehileng matlo.
The Department of Human Settlement responded to us, I think, within a space of 2 to 3 days. They gave us a form that we need to complete. We have completed the form, and upon completing that form, we realized that they also need us to do or conduct what we call a profiling. And we are currently at that phase where we are conducting a profiling. Then once we are done with the profiling, we are going to submit all that to the Department of Human Settlement so that we can get the assistance in terms of that grant and to relocate those people to a safer place.
Kamohelo Tshotetse, SABC News, Windhoek.
Lefapha la dipalangwang provinseng ya Gauteng le re le tla kenya tshebeletso ya nakwana ya dibese Hammanskraal le dibaka tse haufi. Bapalami ba diketekete ka leboya ho Pretoria ba ntse ba tobane le mathata a dipalangwang ka mora tshitiso e tswelang pele dibeseng tsa NTI.
Seneng sereretswe ho ba kopano ya setjhaba se ile sa fetoha ntho e sa thabising ha bapalami ba halefileng le basebetsi ba dibese tsa NTI ba batla dikarabo mabapi le bothata ba dipalangwang bo nkile nako e telele.
We have outlined our process that NTI is signed, but then Northwest government must also sign off on behalf of their entity so that we know that if NTI does not pay, then Northwest government will pay us.
Ka holeleng basebetsi ba dibese ba re ha ba so lefellwe meputso ya bona dikgweding tse 14 tse fetileng le ha mmuso na o re ke ditefello tsa dikgwedi tse 2 fela tse setseng.
Because of there is evidence of corruption, PFMA was not followed when we were appointing contractors and so on. The case is ongoing with the Hawks. The other case is ongoing with the SIU.
Bapalami ba re dibese tse ngata di tloswa tseleng kgwedi le kgwedi e leng seo se ba qobelang hore ba lebe ditekesing tse turang.
Mo Hammanskraal ne re itshepetse mo tsona bese e loreng a di tsamaye tsa NTI, and then he di thoma ne re thoma re lwa le babereki ba teng ba re sa tlhalwanya hore problem e ke eng.
Ha mmuso o setlalletse hore o tla fumana tharollo tabeng ena, bakganni le bapalami ba re ba tla dumela hore mathata ana a fedile ha fela ba ka lefellwa le dibese tsa kgutlela mmileng.
Moikgaso ena ya ditaba tsa Sesotho e fella mona kopana le moifu wa rona wa ditaba tsa Setswana hosane ka yona nako ena. Salang hantle.